This video describes how to make and manage maps in Data Basin. Data Basin members are provided with easy-to-use tools to make and manage their own maps. There are 3 basic ways to create a custom map in Data Basin. 1, you can start with a blank template using the Create a Map option from the main menu bar. 2, you can open a specific data set of interest to start a new map. Or 3, you can modify an existing map created by someone else. See the dedicated tutorial for more on that last option. This tutorial focuses on the first 2 options. After you've logged into your account, go to the top menu bar and hover your mouse over Create and select Create a Map from the drop-down menu. A map template with a default base map will appear on screen. At this point, there are no individual datasets included. There's a main toolbar at the top of the page with a series of different icons. In order for some of them to become active, you'll need to have a dataset added to the map, which we will get to shortly. The far left 2 buttons allow you to save and export your map. The icons in the middle help you navigate around your map, such as zooming, panning, and finding geographic locations. The next set of icons allow you to interact with the datasets in your map. See the dedicated tutorial for more on using those tools. The last item in the main toolbar is the legend, which can be interactively viewed or hidden. The double-arrowed icon in the lower right side of the map, above the scale bar, allows you to view or hide a small thumbnail map that provides geographic context for your current map view. The tabs located on the left side of the map will allow you to interact with the map. At this stage, there's only one main tab exposed, Layers. This tab is comprised of 3 map components: base maps, datasets, and drawings. To expand each component, all you need to do is click on the blue triangles located in front of each icon. Base maps form the background of the map composition. These are fixed map templates that cannot be modified. There are currently 10 base map options to choose from, each displaying increasing levels of detail as one zooms in. Base maps form the visual foundation for datasets that will be displayed on top. To add a dataset, click on the Add Datasets text in the panel. An Add Items window will appear, providing numerous options for locating a dataset of interest. You can select datasets from within galleries, groups, and maps. Single-click an item to select and double-click an item to view contents. To find a dataset to add to the map, you can perform a keyword and/or geographic search. See a dedicated tutorial for more on that. You could find a dataset of interest via the Browse tab, which allows you to view datasets, maps, and galleries. You can get quick access to items you recently viewed. You can obtain datasets from groups you are a member of. And you can find content you personally uploaded via the My Items tab. You can add up to 15 individual datasets into each map. Accepted spatial data types in Data Basin are numerous. See the dedicated tutorial for more on that topic. Let's add a few datasets. Using the search option, type in forest type and select the dataset titled U.S. Forest Service Forest Type Groups, Southeast. Click on Add Datasets again and type in the search window Longleaf Pine and select the dataset titled Longleaf Pine, Pinus palustris extent, North America, and click the Add Items button. Legends for each viewed dataset appear in the upper right panel. The entire legend or individual portions of it can be hidden using the triangles. All datasets are drawn in a particular order, bottom to top. The order can be easily adjusted by selecting the dataset and dragging to the desired order. Datasets can be viewed or hidden from the map by adding or removing the check mark in front of the dataset title. Clicking on the black arrow icon to the right of each dataset title for example, the forest type group file at the bottom, exposes a number of actions that can be taken. Clicking the Details option pulls up a brief description of the dataset, including the source of the data, a portion of the data description, and the date the file was last modified. Clicking on the title from the pop-up will open another screen tab with its full overview information. You can also change the transparency for any of the datasets. And for all vector datasets residing on the Data Basin data repository, you can change the style on any attribute by selecting Edit Style. The last adjustment for this example is to select Filter, Create Filter for the Forest Type Groups dataset. A pop-up occurs where you can define the filter. The Drawings component is at the top of the Layers tab. You can create one or more drawings that are drawn on top of the base map and datasets. There are 9 different drawing types to choose from, each with styling options. You can also import an existing drawing from another map, so they don't have to be recreated from scratch each time you want to use them. Drawings can be viewed or hidden by checking the box at the left of the drawing title. Save the map by clicking the Save icon at the top left position on the toolbar. The Save Map As pop-up requires a number of fields to be filled. Maps can be made public or private, given a title, credits, description, and meaningful tags. Select the use constraints. The default is the Creative Commons Attribution License. After you save the map, you will notice 2 new main tabs, Map Details and Comments, appear on the left margin of the map page. The Map Details tab is the default, and you can adjust access to the map by clicking the Manage Permissions button. A pop-up appears, and you can change map permissions. You can change the map to public or private. If private, you can add access permission to one or more groups and/or one or more individuals who are Data Basin members. The Comments tab is the subject of another tutorial video.